Are kind of crooked. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to work with some base 10 blocks. How many 10s would I need to make 100? That's going to be the easiest one. Gage, how many?
10 10s.
10 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is 100. Right there. 100. That's a 100's cube. Okay, it has 10 10s in it. How many 1s are in a 100 cube? Easy.
101.
100 1s, right. If I counted all of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, it'd go all the way to 100. Alrighty. That was the first thing with place value. See, it kind of looks the same. Doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doo, ba-doop-a-doo, 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 ba-doop-a-doo. There's my eraser. Alright, what do you want to draw 100 of? What are some objects we want to draw 100 of? Because we're going to count them. What do you want to draw 100 of? Cameron, what do you want to draw 100 of?
Squares.
Squares! Alright, everyone, you're going to do this with me. Well, actually, let's draw 10 squares, because we're going to draw different objects, okay? Let's draw 10 squares, so everyone's going to draw this. Okay. If you draw a erase board, you can keep erasing, because I'm going to have to do it too. 1, 2, that kind of looks like a rectangle, but it's okay. It's a quadrilateral. 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are my squares perfect? Look at me. Are my squares perfect?
I don't know it.
Are my squares perfect? Nope. They're not perfect. They're a quadrilateral. It works. They have 4 sides. They're not all even. Look, this one's not even closed. Woo! Just do your best. If it looks wonky, no worries. Okie dokie. Who could give me something else to draw? Carson. Unmute yourself, girly. Whoa, some issues with internet. On my end, not y'all's end. What? Circles? Circles! 10 circles! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles. What is 10 plus 10? What is 10 plus 10?
20.
What is 10 plus 10? Bristol, thank you for raising your hand. What's 10 plus 10? Bristol, what's 10 plus 10?
I want hearts.
Okay, but what's 10 plus 10? What is 10 plus 10? We have 10 squares and 10 circles. So I would want to know what 10 squares plus 10 circles would be. How many objects?
20.
20, right. We can draw hearts next. Alrighty. 10 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oop. That's weird. Who can give me another object or thing to draw 10 of? Zoe.
We could draw stars.
Oh yeah, let's do stars. 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 stars. What is 4 tens worth? We now have 4 tens. Who could raise their hand and tell me what is 4 tens worth? That would be the same as 1, 2, 3, and 4. What is this worth? Cameron?
40.
It's worth 40. So we have 40 objects so far. Who could give me something else to do? Or draw? Or make? Easy. Rectangle. Well, my squares kind of looked like rectangles, so give me a different shape.
Triangle.
Ooh, let's do triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. We could have did different colored dots. Now I have 5 tens. What is 5 tens equal? What is 5 tens equal? Zoe, what is 5 tens?
50.
50. Good job. Anyone else have a different object I could draw? Journey.
Rectangles.
Journey. Journey, do you have an object to draw? I can't hear you. Do you know how to use the chat bar? And you could type something in there? I'll come back to you, I promise. Anyone else have an object? Darren.
A line.
Lines. Yeah, that would work. 10 lines. Like a squiggly line? Or a straight line? Squiggly line? 1. A straight or squiggly?
Squiggly.
Squiggly? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 squiggly lines. Now we have 6 tens. Can anyone tell me what 6 tens is worth?
60.
Who could raise their hand and tell me what 6 tens is worth? Riley, what is 6 tens worth?
60.
60. Good girl. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Almost there. Journey, you want to try again, girl? I still couldn't hear you. Did you say butterflies? Let me see if it's on my end. Hold on. Whoops, that's not right. No one's going to be at that meeting. Now let's try. I still can't hear you. We've had this issue before. It's okay. Don't panic. Don't panic. No worries, okay? No worries. Could you write it on a board and then show it on the camera? Write the word on a board and show it on the camera. Go a little bit this way. Smiley faces! Yeah, we can do smiley faces! I got it! See? Told ya. No need to fret, my love. Let's do some smiley faces. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more would be, let's make him happier. He's like devilish. A little too angry. There we go. 10. Okay, so now we're at We're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7? 7 objects? One, two. What are 7 tens? Whoa. I can't see any of you. Oh, internet. There we go. Whew. What are 7 tens? Darren, what are 7 tens? Oh, thank you. Good job, George.
70.
70, right. Anyone else have an object we could draw? George, you got an object?
X's.
Ooh, X's. Good one. Haven't thought of that. X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had to come up with something clever to fit them in. Now we're at 8 tens. What is 8 tens? Cameron?
No, I think somebody else.
Cameron? What's 8 tens?
80.
80. Good job. Anyone else have a different object? Jackson or Sawyer, do you have an object to draw? I see your hand up. Oh, unmute. You're muted. Jackson and Sawyer, you're muted.
She said you're muted. Go ahead. What was your other object?
I want to do, happy faces, but have big eyes.
So we did smiley faces already. What if we did sad faces instead? Does that work? We could do some sad faces instead. Because we have smelly faces. I don't want them to get confused. So let's do some sad faces. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you want to draw your big smiley faces with big eyes, go for it. 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. I'm running out of room. 10. Okay? 10. So now we're at 9 tens. Who could tell me what 9 tens is? What's 9 tens?
90.
90, that's right. 90 is 9 tens. What about my last object? Who can help me with my last object? Alice, do you have an object? No? Who else has their hand up? Anyone different? Jackson or Sawyer, do you have something different? You're muted, sweethearts. Give me something, go out with a... Yes? What if we went out with a bang? What goes bang in the sky?
Firework. She was talking to somebody else.
I was talking to you, Jackson and Sawyer. What you talking about?
Why are you having an attitude? Miss Cooper's talking to you.
What goes big in the sky? Boom.
The moon.
We can draw... I like the moons. Let's draw moons. I was thinking thinking of fireworks, but let's draw moons. Moons is perfect. I ran out of different colors. That's okay. We're going to draw moons. Should I draw a crescent-shaped moon or a big full moon?
Which one, sorry?
A crescent moon?
Crescent.
Crescent moon. I'm not very good at crescent moons, but I'll draw them. 1, 2,
Where's Cooper?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Where am I?
8,
No, it's just me.
ooh, 9,
The puppy on here as well.
10.
You're not on.
Okay. Who could raise their hand and tell me what are 10 tens? Easy.
100.
100. Show me all your objects, even if you're not finished. Riley, I saw yours. Yours were awesome. Woo! Check y'all out. That's awesome. Amazing job.